A winter weather advisory is in effect for our area. Currently, the temperature is 63 degrees under cloudy skies. Here's our local Doppler radar. Today, afternoon showers, high 63, winds south at 10 to 15 miles per hour, chance of rain 60%. For tonight, rain likely, areas of dense fog, low 28, south-southeast winds, shifting to northeast at 10 to 20 miles per hour, chance of rain 100%, rainfall possibly over 1 inch. On Saturday, sunshine along with some cloudy intervals. High 33. Winds northwest at 15 to 25 miles per hour. Expect fair skies Saturday through Monday, with temperatures in the upper 30s on Saturday.